Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. I have this little Leapfrog Twist and Shout, and I want to show you how to change the batteries on it. I feel like Leapfrog made it a little bit more difficult than it really has to be, and some people may be having a hard time. So the batteries are hidden under this cap here. There's a button on either side, but if you have fat fingers like me, pushing those buttons does absolutely nothing. Can't get it off. So you're going to want a pen, maybe a pencil, but I'm a pen guy. Push in there, push in there. Cap comes off. You can see on the underside of the cap there's a little push button there. When you push in the pins, there's little hooks on either side here that grab onto these guys here. And then the batteries right in there. So you just need a little screwdriver. Pop out the cartridge. It takes 4 AA batteries. You gotta know how to use a screwdriver. There we go. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. So just pop that sucker out. I'm actually getting ready to. This only take 3 batteries. Okay, thought it took 4. Getting ready to list this one on eBay, so we're taking the batteries out of it so they don't get all corroded as we wait for it to sell. Get this last one out maybe. Back to the screwdriver. Put the screw back in, then we'll pop the top and get ready to go. Come on. There we go. And you can see the little hook dealies line up there. Pops it on. You're all set. Ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys.